See, safe. I have 1. Lifting, lying on the ground. Malala, into Servana, trained procedure, gonna have. Do I have to activate medical assistance na kapakagad? Hindi ba? Do I have to activate medical assistance? Hindi ba? So we have to check first for consciousness. Okay, Mike. Hey sir, you okay? Hey sir, you okay? The victim is unresponsive, so activate medical assistance, transfer facility, and report back for help. Tawag ambulansya, balik ka sa akin. Now, checking your way. Ito, position nyo. 1 knee above the hip, 1 knee above the shoulder. Pwedeng ganun. Standard. Pero kung medyo malaki, ito, pwede kayo lumuhod, no? Saan kayo komportable. I have to open na yung airway. Opening yung airway, elbow nyo dapat nasa ground. Chop nyo siya. Saan titignan? Kung meron siyang obstruction sa mouth, sa nose, pwedeng ganyan. So pag in-open nyo yung airway, dapat hindi na siya babalik. Ganyan, dito sa side. Basta hindi siya babalik. So pag na-open yung airway, you have to declare mouth and nose are clear kung walang obstruction. Kung meron, itanggalin nyo. Pero kung wala, declare mouth and nose are clear. Hindi mouth sa nose. Mouth, nose, hindi ganun. Hindi declare kasi. So what comes next? You have to check what? Dapat, tingin dito, check for 10 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,009, 1,010. Pag hindi siya huminga, sabihin nyo, victim is breathless. So this time, you have to give 2 initial breaths. How to give 2 initial breaths? Pinch the nose, seal the mouth. Hindi nakaganon, hindi isasarahan. Pinch the nose, the mouth, breath. 1, 2. So, ganun. Hindi ganyan yung pagsarahan. Okay. Pag magbibigay kayo ng breath, dapat sakop niya yung mouth. Ha? Sakop. So, nalakasan niyo. Kasi singaw siya. Baka may mga first kiss pa dito, ha? Mga naman, dami. Give 2 breaths. So dito dapat enough lang na mag-rise sa chest. Hindi kailangan yung mabilis. Hindi ganun ha. While lakas. Enough lang. Pag pumasok yung hangin, ibig sabihin open yung airway niya. So this time, I have to check circulation. Dito kayo mag-check. Mas malapit. So kung ito yung Adam's apple niya sa side, dito dapat circulation, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Kung meron siyang pulse, meron siyang breathing, yung victim has pulse and has breathing, recovery position. Ganun. May tanong. Basta, may pulse siya, may hininga. Mamaya na yung RV. Kasi may next module pa eh. So, gradual yung ano natin na. Question.